probably thinking to yourself, why are you starting out at a tanning place with your tips for travel to Mexico? You're going to Mexico. Yes, I know I'm going to Mexico. However, I want to have a little bit of a tan before I go because I need to show you my legs because they're scary white legs. So I need to get them tan. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is good. I am in a lean making class. By the way, this is one of my favorite places to tan. I do spray tan. This is my before because I will go in there on my own and I'll come back when I'm done and you can see the difference. Okay, so here is the after. It's maybe hard to see under these lights, but I'll show you what my leg looks like now outside. After shot of my leg. Oh, definitely better than it was. So I thought I would give you some tips of how to pack when you're going to Mexico. I will take you along on some of my errands along the way and show you what some of the tips are. I just got back from dropping the cats off, so that's one of the first tips, is make sure that you have a place for your pets to stay while you're gone. We have cats. People are like, why are you boarding your cats? They take care of themselves. That's true, but we have a cat that has separation anxiety and behavioral issues. And I've come back from vacation before after he's had his run of the house and it's not good. So we board them and we have a really good place by the house that just houses cats. And they went to kitty cat camp. Okay, next stop is Sam's Club because I have medication that I'm almost out of that I need to take with me. So make sure you have all your medications before you start packing. What I'm looking for is healthy snacks to take on the plane. We have 2 flights there and 2 flights back. And I have stopped in the beef jerky aisle because that looks like a healthy treat. And I found one on sale. I'll show you which one I found. It doesn't have any MSG and it doesn't have any gluten. And it's less expensive than the other ones. So we're gonna take this. All right, back home and it is time to make my list. So what I do is I write down my day outfits, my night outfits, and then I will start packing backwards. I showed this tip to you when I gave you my cruise tip, travel tips. I'll put the link up here and I'll put the link in the description below. And it just helps me know that I'm not forgetting anything. And then if I do need anything, everything I'm using right away is at the top. Of course, when I get to my destination, I'm usually unpack. Instead of living out of the suitcase, I usually unpack and put everything in drawers. Since we will be gone for more than a weekend, but not a full week, I'll probably end up using the drawers, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna make my list and then we'll finish the rest of the tips. Don't forget to pack your sunscreen. A lot of resorts like to charge like 20, 30, I've heard of even sometimes $40 for a can of sunscreen because it's a convenient purchase then. So definitely remember to take your sunscreen. We're Stop! Stop it! He doesn't like to be on camera, but he really does. We're in front of the game closet. We're gonna pick out some games to bring with us. Where we're staying, we're not really sure if it has a whole lot of night entertainment, so we're going to entertain ourselves by playing a bunch of games with our cards. Count to see if there's 52 in that. And same thing with the Snoopy cards, because I'm going to teach you guys how to play euchre.
Oh, I don't have to play Snoopy.
It's not Snoopy the game, it's Snoopy cards.
Can I please get away from Snoopy for a few days?
Honey, that's all I have is Snoopy decks of cards. I've got like 4 decks of Snoopy cards. Look, more Snoopy cards. Can I help with that? I enjoy Snoopy. Snoopy makes me happy. This is one of our favorite games. It's strategic, kind of like a combination of Rummy Cub and dominoes, sort of, in a way. Well, definitely like dominoes, but it comes with this cool bag, so we're just gonna take it. Packing's going well in my new suitcase. That's only 1/2, and that's just my bathing suits, loungy clothes, and pajamas. I still haven't started packing the backwards. That list is next, which is right here. Also, don't forget your passport. Speaking of passport, here's another tip. Even if you are going on a cruise, just going to Mexico, you do need your passport. You will not be allowed on the ship if you don't have your passport. So whether you're going actually to the country like we are this time, or you're going on a cruise, or even to Canada, you have to have your passport. Driver's license won't cut it these days. Another tip. So, how do you afford to go to all these places? Well, we are the king and queen of saving points. So the reason why we're going on this vacation is just a 4-nighter. A friend of ours has a timeshare, which he has invited us to, so we don't have to pay for the stay. Some crazy sale on Southwest Airlines allowed us to fly round trip from Tampa to Cancun with a stop in Atlanta for a total of 28,000 points. That's for 2 people. That's unheard of. So we totally took advantage of that. The same thing goes with hotel points. We're saving for our trip in 2019, and we are saving points on Hilton. My husband travels for business, so anytime he travels, he tries to stay at one of the Hilton properties, which is Doubletree, Hilton, Hampton Inn, and Hilton Garden Inn. So it doesn't matter which one of those places you stay at, you just keep accumulating points, and then you save them for where you really want to go. That's what we do. Free breakfast? Yes, there are a lot of hotel chains that offer free breakfast. Hilton has a few. All the different ones do. La Quinta offers it. So just check when you're making your reservations and you could save some money that way. Also, some kids eat for free. If you plan on staying for more than a couple of days, like where we're doing in Mexico, find one with a kitchen. Our friend is actually staying for the full week. We're just staying there for part of it. But the kitchen's going to be pretty helpful. You can see I packed the one side is completely done. This is my second one. We are actually taking coffee with us. We'll be using bottled water to make coffee. I just have to finish packing up my backpack with my computer because I am taking my portable studio with me like I did on my birthday cruise, just in case I have clients that need it. So there you have it, some travel tips for when you are traveling to Mexico. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up so I go higher up on the feeds so other people could take advantage of these tips. And I'll see you in Mexico. Bye.